Hey guys, it is a new week of What's for Dinner, and tonight we are having mesquite grilled chicken. This is from the Pioneer Woman cookbook. Let me just show y'all real quick. So that's the mesquite grilled chicken, and it's on page 143 in the cookbook, and it was really simple. You just mix up some olive oil, ginger, brown sugar, salt, pepper, lemon, and you marinate it for a couple of hours, or you can marinate up to 18 hours, it says, but we just marinated it for like an hour and a half. And then I made my stuffed jalapenos that I love making. Jared loves them, and a lot of other people do too. Usually make it whenever we have like parties or something, but essentially it's just jalapeno and cream cheese and wrapped bacon, and the orange stuff is paprika. But this is what we are having for dinner, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, and happy Monday. We are having T-bone steaks. So Jared just sauteed them. We marinated them about a day and a half, and then he finished it off in the oven. Then we cooked the sauteed mushrooms because they were going bad. And then I had some asparagus that we bought a couple of weeks ago, and I just wrapped it in bacon, threw it in the oven. Didn't season it because of the bacon already just gives it off flavor. So this is for dinner tonight. Very yummy and very simple. And we'll see you guys tomorrow with a new recipe. Alright you guys, so this is the results of the creamy lemon pasta with pancetta and peas. That is from the Pioneer Woman on page 181. It smells really good. Jared, what do you think?
Pretty good.
He likes it, so thumbs up. This is like the ultimate comfort food, I believe, because it's cheesy and it's pasta and it's just perfect. So we will eat this up and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, it is Wednesday and we are having something simple. We're having our sticky pork belly. We didn't have a veggie because we just both came home late, so we steamed up some rice and then cooked the sticky pork belly in the what's it called, the pressure cooker, and then we just sauteed it, did the glaze and everything, and that's just what it came out. It's always a good meal, tried and true, very yummy, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Alright you guys, so it is actually Saturday. The last two nights we had leftovers, that Pioneer Woman pasta. I had that on Thursday, and then Friday I came home really late, so I had a bowl of cereal. Now it's Saturday, and we did not have anything planned for Saturday because we didn't know what we were going to do. So we whipped up some chicken Loretta. It is a tried and true recipe. It's very simple. All you do is just follow the direction. It has mayonnaise, breadcrumbs, cheese, salt, pepper, and Parmesan. And then you throw it in the oven for 45 minutes and it's done. And then we had some roasted Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts were actually going bad in the refrigerator, so we had to cook that up. But this is our very simple Saturday night dinner. And actually, this is actually the last day. So we're going to end the video. Make sure you go and subscribe down below. Let me know if you're going to try any of these recipes. And that's about it. So I will see you guys later. Bye.